Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a gym, fitness, clothing try on haul. Not really sure what I'm going to call it, but something along those lines. As some of you may or may not know, I have been loving going to the gym. I just really love going for my mental and physical health, and I obviously want to wear nice clothes when going to the gym, so I've bought a few little gym bits lately. I went to JD, Primark and Sports Direct. Oh, and I've just forgot, I actually picked up a little something from BND, which is actually a YouTuber's fitness shop, Grace, from Grace Fit UK. You probably have heard of her. I absolutely love her, FYI. So yeah, support another YouTubers. Whoop whoop. So I'll show that as well, but I'm gonna start with Primark. So first of all, I got this sports bra. It's just grey, love a bit of grey, and it has, like, underneath the boobie area, it has this ribbed design. It's very nice. It has padding, even though I have like zero boobs, you know, I've got to have a little something there to support my little sons. I really like it. It fits really nicely. I got this in a size 8 and I believe this was £4. The tags are off because I've already worn it, you see. Most of the tags are off on these actually because I tried them on before I done this video. I think it's a nice colour of grey that, you know, it'll go with most things, so I like that. And also, the thing that's so annoying is these actually have leggings to go with them, and I've been in about 4 different Primarks and I cannot find the leggings in my size. So if you see these leggings in size 8, pick them up and I will pay for postage. Half joking, full serious. Okay, so next I got some like cycling shorts, would you call them, also in grey but a darker grey, and this is like that kind of like spec design, if that's what you call it. It's like grey with like dark grey and black bits. I got these in a size, what size did I get them in? Oh, a 10 to 12 small. Normally I would go for like a size 8 in Primark, but they weren't there and I thought going a size up wouldn't hurt too much. They're not like baggy or anything on me, they fit quite nicely actually. So yeah, these were also £4 if I didn't say so already, and I have never worn shorts to the gym before, so a little bit anxious about that, but hey, there's a first for everything, right? I'll just need to remember to shave my legs. They've also got like a stretchy kind of material here, if you can see that. They just fit so nicely, like they're quite snug, and yeah, make your bum look good, which is always a good thing. Okay, so that is Primark done. I'm gonna go on to Sports Direct. I got some leggings from USA Pro, which is a brand I really actually quite like. I think I've got 2 tops from there. I got these pinky kind of peachy leggings. They say USA Pro here. They've got quite a nice like spotty design down each of the legs. I just thought they were super duper cute. They're high-waisted obviously. I got them in a size 8, so they fit really nicely. They were £48 down to 17, so that was a steal. The only thing with these leggings is they are mega see-through. Like, seeing the clips that I will insert of them, I did not wear any pants. Yes, I was commando, okay, because they are quite see-through. And where are the labels? These labels here I'm going to need to cut off because you'll be able to see in the try-on clips that you can see these, so I'm going to need to cut these off and just like not wear pants when I wear these to the gym. I was going to take them back because of that, but I really like them. Like, they are really nice, so I'm just gonna go with it and go commando. Sorry, my camera's battery died, so I don't know if it's moved the background and stuff like that. Right, I'm now gonna go on to the stuff I got from JD. So basically everything I got, yeah, everything I got from JD was from Pink Soda Sport. I absolutely love Pink Soda Sport. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, I put sometimes pictures before I go to the gym, and the majority of the time I do feature a little bit of pink soda, I have to say. I'm like a pink soda advertisement, what can I say? So the first thing I got was this pink mesh top, and it's like a baseball kind of design top with the stripe here. I just thought it was so cute. Like, I don't really have much pink apart from those leggings I just showed, but I don't have that much like pink gym wear, and I've dyed my hair a little bit more purpley pinky, so I thought it'd be cute to incorporate the gym clothes with the hair. So yeah, I really like this. Just says pink soda on it, you can't miss that. So I got this in a size 8 and this was £15. And to go with the top, I got the shorts. I don't know what I was feeling when I bought all this stuff, because I've bought quite a few pairs of shorts and I have never worn shorts to the gym before, but I want to get a little bit more confident and wear shorts, because sometimes wearing leggings is a bit too hot, and yeah, sometimes you just feel like wearing shorts would be more comfortable, and you know, these shorts are cute, so it'd be nice to switch up a little bit every now and then. Anyway, these were £10 and I got them to go with the top. Don't know if I'll wear them together. I don't know if that'll be a bit too much with them together, but you know, I could always try it. But yeah, I thought these would go with, you know, just plain white tops, plain black tops, grey tops. They're also kind of again in that mesh design, and they say pink soda around the waistband and have the little pink soda logo on the bottom left there. These shorts are a little bit cheeky. They're kind of short actually, but I'm just gonna go with it, whatever, don't really care. It's not as if you see my full-on bum, but they are a little bit cheeky, definitely. Might as well show you the other pair of shorts that I got, also pink soda. These are pink soda cycling shorts. Again, these were £8. They say pink soda around the waist bit there. Again, the pink soda sport logo. They're in a nice grey colour. I really like the grey and pink. I think those colours go together really nicely. These shorts make your bum look so good, I have to say. They're really comfortable. I got them in a size 8, and again, these would look really nice with the shorts. I guess you could wear just a sports bra if you're confident enough, but I think I'm going to obviously wear my sports bra and a top over it, so just pair these with a top to start off with. I have to say my confidence isn't at that point where I'll just wear shorts and a sports bra just yet to the gym. But yeah, I really like these. I think they are so nice. Okay, so lastly from JD, I have always wanted one of these. It's like a zip up top. It's black, obviously. I have just wanted one of these for ages, for like obviously putting over your gym gear going to and from the gym, and also these are just super comfy. I saw this and it was on sale for £15 and I was like, that is mine, in my basket you go. It's obviously got the pink soda sport logo on it. It's a zippy up one, so you'll just zip it up like so, if it wants to go up, that is. Zip it up like so, and it says pink soda on the back. And also it has like little bits here for your thumbs to like go in. I'll show you in the clip that I insert. And yeah, like I said, I got it in a size 8 and it fits really nicely. I just really like this. I just think everyone needs one of these. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to show you is from BND, like I said, which is Grace Fit's UK's one of her fitness shops, because technically she's got 2 now. She's got Tal as well. So I got one of her resistance bands. I've been eyeing them up for a while actually, since they were just Grace Fit. They used to say Grace Fit UK on here instead of BND. To be honest, I was a little bit scared of them, because resistance bands make your workout like 10 times more intense, which really is what I want, but I was a little bit scared of them, I'm not gonna lie. And then she launched BND and there was like a restock and things, obviously her redesign, and I was going to get a black one, and then I saw this design which has my favourite apricot, peachy, whatever that is, emoji and the fire emoji. I just really like those emojis, and I just think it's really cool and a different design, and you know, it stands out too. So I got this, I believe it was £15 plus shipping was like £3 something. I'll link everything down below anyway if you want to check them out. But this is the extra heavy, no, heavy slash extra heavy resistance, and oh my god, I've done a few squats with these in my house, and whew, this, I've not taken this to the gym yet, but I am like so excited slash scared, because yeah, this is gonna give me a booty for sure. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have this in my gym bag from now on. Also, I'm actually gonna do a video on what's in my gym bag very soon, and this will definitely be featured. So very excited to use this. Okay guys, so that is everything I have picked up lately fitness wise. I am so excited to try all my new gym clothes on and do my little Instagram stories. What can I say? Yeah, I'm just so excited to wear some new gym clothes. Everyone loves doing that, come on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, comment down below if you'd like to, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!